Yo, what's good, guys? This is Theo here. Real quick video for you guys. Just break up some of the monotony. I wanted to do a quick video on how to factorialize a number with JavaScript using recursion and using just an iterative approach. So if you don't understand what a factorial is, right? So factorial 5 is going to be equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and that's going to be equal to 120. Okay, so basically it's the number multiplied by each number lower than it all the way down to 1. So first let's implement it recursively. So I'm going to call it Factorialize. It's going to take in a number, and we're going to use our base case here. We're going to say if number is equal to 1 or number is equal to 0, let's go ahead and return that number. Otherwise, we're assuming it's greater than 1 at this point. We're going to call return factorialize return the number, okay, multiplied by calling the function factorialize of number minus 1. So let me sort of run you through what exactly is going on here. Say we pass in the number 5. Okay, it's not equal to 1, it's not equal to 0. So in that case, we literally have, let me take off the JavaScript running. We're going to literally have return 5 times factorialize of 5 minus 1, which is 4. Okay, so this next time through, we're going to have return 5 times 4 times factorialize of 3. Okay, and then, this is going to keep going, just sort of so you guys can see it, times 3 times factorialize of 2 times 3 times 2 times factorialize of 1. And what's going to happen at this point, it's just going to return 1. So we're going to get 5 times 4 times 3 times 1. And then, so we're just going to return 120 here at the very end. So just to demonstrate that this actually works, let's create a num and say equal to 5. Let's just console.log factorialize of num. And let's actually see what this gives us. So we get 120, and that's what we expected. Similarly, if we pass it in 1, we're just going to get 1 back, and 2 is going to be 2. Okay, so we start to actually see it when we get 3. It's going to be 6. 4 is going to be 24, and 5 is 120. So that's recursively, it's pretty quick, and it looks elegant. Let's try it with an iterative approach. So in order to do this, guys, we can set up our same base case. So we say if num is equal to 0 or num is equal to 1, let's just go ahead and return the num. Else, we're going to run a while loop. Okay, so we're going to say, first we want to create this variable called result. We're going to set that equal to 1, and we're going to say while num is greater than 1, let's go ahead and result times equal num. Let's decrement 1, num by 1, and let's go ahead and return return the result. And so let's go ahead and create our number right here of 5, and let's console.log factorialize of number, and again we get 120 here. So what's happening is we're going through this while loop and we're decrementing it by 1, and each time we get this reducer in result and it's storing it. Real quick video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know how you solved it. Very common sort of problem. Maybe you'd see that in an interview. It just helps to sort of get your brain start thinking about how to do these approaches and sort of get in that algorithm mode. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, please subscribe and support the channel. It means a lot. See you guys in the next videos. Take care.